Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must begin by confirming KYC and a linked bank. That unlocks equity trading. Once done, fund your Dhan ledger or set up UPI for instant buys. Make sure you log in and enable biometrics or 2FA so orders execute without delay. Next, tap the search bar and type the stock symbol or company name. This loads the quote page with live price, volume, and basic fundamentals. Now you're ready to choose an order type and proceed to buying. With the stock page open, pick the correct symbol and confirm whether you want NSE or BSE execution. Once selected, decide market for immediate execution or limit to control price. Set the limit price carefully based on recent bids. Enter quantity. Dhan shows required margin and estimated brokerage plus taxes. Pause to review. If margin shortfall appears, add funds or reduce quantity. Use the preview button to confirm total debit. Then proceed to place the order. After previewing, tap place order and complete any authentication. UPI approvals or OTPs happen fast. Once placed, view the order book to verify status, pending, executed, or partially filled. You can set stop loss or target orders immediately to manage risk. Once executed, the holdings reflect in your portfolio and settlement follows exchange timelines. If an order fails, check available funds, internet connectivity, or whether the market is closed. Retry with correct details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.